In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll in free Coursera courses seamlessly. Whether you're looking to expand your knowledge in a particular field or just curious about a topic, Coursera offers a treasure trove of learning opportunities that you can access at no cost. And I'm here to show you how to get started. Before we dive in, it's essential that you have a Coursera account. If you don't already have one, you can easily create it by visiting Coursera.org and signing up. It's a straightforward process that requires basic information like your email and a password. Once you have your account ready and waiting, go ahead and log in. Logging in will take you directly to your homepage. Now, this page is well organized and intuitive, designed to provide you with immediate access to courses that might interest you, including some that are completely free. You'll notice these free courses displayed prominently. To begin your enrollment journey, just click on the course you want to explore. As you do this, you might see a prompt to enroll for free. Sounds simple, right? However, there's a crucial detail to note here. Ensure that the course you've selected is indeed the one you want to dive into. Double-check the course description and syllabus to confirm it aligns with your learning goals. Once you've confirmed, go ahead and click Enroll for free. At this stage, you might be asked to start a free trial that typically lasts for 7 days. This trial gives you full access to the course material, quizzes, and sometimes graded assignments. It's a great way to fully experience what the course has to offer. Now, here's an important part. Although you're signing up for a free trial, Coursera requires you to provide some personal details, including your name and country for account verification purposes. Additionally, they're going to ask for your payment method. It's important to note that even though they request this information now, you won't be charged immediately. The payment method is only used if you decide to continue with the course after the trial period ends. After you've filled in all the required information, you should be successfully enrolled in the course of your choice. During your trial period, keep an eye on the subscription timelines. If you decide the course isn't for you or you don't wish to continue with a paid subscription, make sure to cancel it before the trial period concludes to avoid any charges. Once you're all set, enjoy learning at your pace. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.